Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then on the driver's side you should see this reservoir here. This would be your coolant reservoir. But from here, on the side, you'll see a max line and a minimum line. And you don't want to work on the system while the vehicle's on or it's hot. So turn it off and let it cool down before doing anything here, just because this is like a boiling system. So this liquid can get to a boil and it's poisonous. You don't want a bunch of poison to shoot out onto your hands. But when you're ready, you just unscrew this and then double check your owner's manual. Good online source that the coolant you're using is the best match for your make and model, and typically you want to match the same color coolant that's already in here, and the same kind as you can as well. But that said, open this up, and then either with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed till you're on this max line. When you're done, screw this on nice and tight. And at that point, I would turn the vehicle on and let this new coolant circulate through the system. That way you can look for any leaks and puddling that might be forming around the engine bay or under the car. So you might have some cracks through the radiator, cracks in the reservoir or line somewhere. And a way to tell that apart from water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell to it. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.